In this video, I'll be showing you how you can improve your audio quality from this to this using some settings in Audacity. Welcome to Ant English. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it. I'll be back after the intro. Alright, before I start this video, since the video is about improving audio quality, I want to share some recording tips as well with you. First of all, try to record in a noise-free environment. Well, it's not possible every time to record in a total calm or silent place, but what you can do is you can turn off the window or close your door. That may block 20 or 30% of noise, and that would be enough. So second of all, try to record from closer of your mouth, not too close, but keep a standard distance, and always use a wind shell that will block the breathing sound that coming from your mouth or other wind sound as well. Well, I'm jumping into the tutorial now. I have opened the Audacity software. There are two ways. You can directly record from the software, or you can drag and drop a previously recorded audio into the software. So I have already recorded an audio that I'm dragging and dropping into the software. First of all, I am pressing Ctrl and mouse wheel up. That will zoom a bit my audio wave. Well, firstly, we will remove the raw noise from this audio, selecting a portion from the beginning of the audio where my voice is absent but there are noise. So I'm selecting this portion and going to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction, and click Get Noise Profile. That will detect the amount of noise from your audio. Now you have to select the entire audio. You can press Ctrl+A or double click it to select the entire audio. Go to Effect, go to Noise Removal and Repair, go to Noise Reduction. Here I am using these settings. You can just customize it or use as like me. If you feel a bit more noise, you can change the noise reduction tab. I'm using these settings and keeping it like 10, 6 and 6 and clicking OK. Well, noise has been removed from my audio. Now you have to select the entire audio again. Go to Effect, then select EQ and Filters, Filter Curve EQ, select Factory Presets, Bass Boosts, apply. Go to Effect again, EQ and Filters, Filter Curve EQ, Preset and Settings, Factory Preset, Treble Boost, apply. Go to Effect, EQ and Filters, Filter Curve EQ, Preset and Settings, Factory Preset, Low Roll Off for Speech, apply it. And the last step now, make sure the entire audio has been selected. Go to Effect, go to Compressor, Volume and Compressor, and use this setting like mine, or you can customize it. I'll be recommending you to use the settings like me and apply it. Well, our audio is now ready. Now we'll be listening the audio, how the quality has been improved. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can improve your audio quality from this to this using some settings in Audacity. Welcome to Ant English. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it. I'll be back after the intro. Alright, you have seen the audio is more clear now than before. So that was all about it. Now I'll be showing you how you can save the audio. Go to File, go to Export Audio and browse the location you want to save the audio, where you want to save the audio, and you can add a name here. Now save it and export it. The entire process has been done. That was all about the video. If you like this video, share it with your friends. We have a Facebook group, you can join there. All the links will be in the description box. See you in the next video. Goodbye.